If you don't understand how the granite and quartz countertop industry differs from almost every other building trade, you're probably going to be disappointed and maybe even get burned. Hi, my name is Aaron Crowley with CROWLEY'S Granite Concepts. Many countertop customers are surprised and even shocked to learn that in the granite and quartz countertop industry, there's virtually no standardization and there's zero enforcement of the few standards that exist. Unfortunately, many of these customers learn this too late, either during the process or after their countertop project is complete, when it's too late to do anything about it. So in this video, I'm going to, 1, help you understand what this lack of standardization means to you as a consumer. 2, I'm going to show you the difference between your experience and the finished product. And 3, briefly teach you how to read online reviews. In virtually every other trade in home building, from foundations to framing, plumbing to HVAC, even insulation and painting, there are strict codes that must be followed that dictate the performance. And then there are local inspections that ensure that the work was done right. These codes and inspections ensure that the work being performed is performed correctly, and more importantly, that you as the consumer are protected. But this is not the case in the granite and quartz countertop industry. There are virtually no standards and there is zero enforcement. So as a consumer, you need to understand that you are at the mercy of the company doing the work in your home. And you also need to understand that the experience that you have and the finished product that you're left with is going to vary, and sometimes wildly, from fabricator to fabricator. What this means is that you have to do your homework. You've got to evaluate 2 different dimensions of the granite and quartz countertop process. The first dimension is the experience that you're going to have. Things like the process for selecting your slabs, scheduling the job, and even the manner with which the installers are going to treat your home. The second dimension is the finished product, the finished countertops that you're going to have to live with once your project is complete. Important things like seam quality, countertop support, and even proper sink installation are things you've got to know. So as you're shopping for granite and quartz countertops, you've got to make sure that you're asking lots and lots of questions about 1, the experience, and 2, the finished product. Lastly, trust but verify. A fabricator can tell you you're going to have an awesome experience and a great finished product, but the only way to really know is to verify their track record. And the best way to do that is with online reviews. So Google and Yelp reviews are fine. Angie's List is better. But the key to online reviews is reading lots and lots and lots of reviews for every one of the companies you're considering for your project. So as a consumer shopping for granite or quartz countertops, make sure you remember that in the granite and quartz countertop industry, there's very few standards and zero enforcement. Remember, you got to know the difference between the experience and the finished product, and make sure you read lots and lots of reviews. So this once-in-a-lifetime experience, this once-in-a-lifetime purchase for your home goes well. Thanks for watching this episode of CROWLEY'S Granite TV. Make sure you check out our other videos and our learning center at CROWLEY'sGranite.com. And make sure you connect with us on one of our many social media platforms.